up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're gonna do another little simple quick install. It's actually a part that I completely forgot I had. I have a few parts stored away that I'm waiting to put on, and this one I actually completely forgot I even had it. Because reason being, I had put it away because it actually came defective, and it's the carbon fiber piece right here that's gonna go right up here on the dash, and a side of it has a small little crack on it. There's a little shipping error. Really, it got messed up during shipping. Luckily the company was nice enough to give me a refund on it, so I basically got the part for free. And for a while I thought about not even bothering to install it because I didn't want it to basically be on there all cracked on the dash, because you could tell pretty easily. So I'm gonna try this out. I went ahead and I put white pinstripe on it on this side here and on this side over here, because it was a small crack on the sides that was no thicker than that pinstripe. So I decided to put that on there and see what that looked like. It actually doesn't look that bad to me, and it's gonna go good with the other white part that I've wrapped on my dash here, you know, the whole line going through. Gonna go good with my shift knob, and eventually when I get the chance I do want to change the steering wheel to the one with the white leather, so it's gonna be real nice. But yeah, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and install that real quick, and we'll see how it looks. First I gotta clean this because it is dirty as hell, so I'm gonna go ahead and do that. I got a little bit of alcohol spray and a microfiber towel, and clean that up.
Let's go. Yeah. I'm like an addict, do I gotta have it. I ain't even playing, got a really bad habit. If it moves, gotta grab it, fuse like a magnet. Lose, won't have it till I'm doomed in a casket. I ain't playing, got a weird mind. If you work 8 hours, I'ma work 9. If the shit tastes sour, you should taste mine. I'ma stay in power for a long time. Get up, nah, I ain't a quitter. Toss me the ball, I'm a really big hitter. Big picture, I'm a straight killer. Rising the song to the highest bidder. Got juice, got gas, I'ma move fast. New shoes, new tracks, like who's that? I'm new, come back, better than last. Yeah, it's a new me, never gonna look back. Never gonna look back. Cause damn, I was built to last. You move slow and I move fast, and that's facts. Only I can make a change. Slowly take a step today. I will never be the same, cause that's what it takes.
Alright, so I got it all cleaned off, especially real good around this edge here, because this thing has a ton of double-sided tape on the inside. That's how it installs. There's a lot around the edge there, as you can see. So, get nice and clean. Go ahead and start pinning this all back, and then try to get it on there. Wish me luck. Alright, so real quick, I don't know if you guys can tell, there's like a lip right here. See how the carbon kind of folds up? Maybe you can see it from the side there. It's like a lip. So what I'm gonna do is start from the front here, right there, and kind of try to get this to catch that lip. So I'm gonna use both hands, obviously, but for the video's sake here. So I'm gonna start from the back, kind of get the front in place here, like this, and then just kind of set it down backwards. Try to make sure I catch it onto this lip and then let it down. Alright, guys, moment of truth. Got all the tape off of the back. You can see. Wish me luck. I hope I don't put this shit on crooked. See how it goes. Alright. So I'm gonna start over here by the steering wheel. Try to get it, the lip in its place. Go. There we go. squeezing it. Work with me here, please. There we go. Yes, you gotta retry without completely fucking it up. Why isn't this so nice earlier? Towards the back right there. Alright, I think it's in the spot. See, it's pretty even on this side. Go ahead and push down on it. Alright, there she is. Squeeze down all the way around. Make sure all the tape is sticking good. Do this with a towel too. There we go. It should be nice and on there, shouldn't go anywhere. That was a shit ton of sticky tape in the back, so I'm actually surprised it lifted back up, to be honest. I thought it might break, but I decided to say, screw it, let's try it anyways. If it breaks, no big deal, I got it for free. Well, it worked out. Now it's on there, and the pinstripe is covering up the cracks pretty damn good. So that's nice. Oh yeah. There it is. Nice installed. You see it a little bit while driving, at least I do. My eyes are about right here. So you do see it a little bit, no biggie. Some people are worried about this being glossy, that it would blind you with sun reflection, but I don't know, I have a feeling that that won't be an issue. Sorry. I don't think it'll be that bad of a glare. And looking at it now, like it's kind of glaring up anyways, not at me. So it should be fine. It goes good with my carbon fiber on the steering wheel here. I actually got it from the same place, got these from Synth Carbon. Same thing as that, I got that from Synth Carbon. Same place that I got my my side view mirrors and my pillars in carbon fiber done. All that from Synth Carbon. And yeah, I think that's all I have in carbon fiber from them. Yeah guys, I'm really happy about this. Nice little piece there. Can't complain, can't complain. Especially for it being free, like I said. So, if you guys want one of these, go ahead and check out Synth Carbon. I don't know if they'll still have it in stock because they tend to run out. And then they restock every now and then. So best way to be to follow them on their Instagram, because then they announce when they're gonna do a restock and they do a little countdown in their stories. Hey guys, thanks for watching the video. Thanks for tuning in. If you could, please give it a big thumbs up, like the video, subscribe if you're new. I am doing a giveaway on some Unity Performance side marker lights, and they are the sequential ones. They do have the turn signal feature. Guys, get in on that. Unfortunately, I don't know if nobody wants the lights, to be honest, or what it is. If you can, just leave a comment down below and let me know. But I've only had one person enter. So right now it looks like only that one person is going to win the lights. So we'll see what happens. Again, if you didn't watch my last video, I'm doing the giveaway on the Unity Performance side marker lights. It is a free giveaway. The only thing you got to do is be subscribed to my channel and leave a comment in any of my videos with your Instagram name. I've gotten a few people that are subscribing and starting to subscribe. I don't know if it's because of this giveaway or just because, you know, they saw my older videos and they want to subscribe. But for those of you that are subscribing because you saw the giveaway and you really want to get into that, make sure you also comment down your Instagram name. Only one person has done that. Like I said, I've gotten a few people, you know, a few subscriptions from when I announced the giveaway last week, but only one person has actually left a comment with their Instagram name. You know who you are if you're watching the videos, and I'm sure you are. So guess what? You might be lucky and you might win it, but we'll see. And then once I hit 2,000 subscribers, which is not that far away, I only need like maybe, I think it's 400 more. I'm about to hit 1,600, so 400 more people gotta subscribe, and then we'll do the giveaway. We'll start the drawing for it, and if only 10 people put down their Instagram name, then guess what? You're one out of 10 that are entered for it. So please go ahead. You know, if you want them, at least. You know, if you don't want them, that's understandable. But if you want the lights, go ahead, leave a comment down below with your Instagram name. If you're already subscribed, you're already done half the battle. All you gotta do is leave the comment. If you're new, you gotta do the subscription and the comment. So let's go get it, guys. And as always, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please like and share. Until next time, guys, take care and have a great day.
I wake up every minute with the fever dreams. I push my mind to a limit where it needs to be. I work blind, got vision I don't need to see. I'm picking mind over matter, I believe in me. I need to find more hours in the day to breathe. Need to find more power in the way I